Oh my goodness. Because the red truck was turning and he didn't see the... That's why you never...
Miles' mom, Vivian, didn't make out much better when she was with him. Miles and I don't really do anything together. In fact, now that I think about it, he doesn't really even have a use for me. And I wonder what that will mean. I don't think he'll fire me from his company, but that would only be because of Mal. He wouldn't do anything that might upset her. The thought cuts deep, and all of a sudden,
Okay, Garmin, save video.
crazy. Look at this.
You stay back. You understand? What part do you not understand? Stay back. You!
Back down on Grove Street.